superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda umsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na wigo ayuiga bwata chi profile net gauges ao bunabono mbabwata normal corrugated na wigo box corrugated aswigo babwata boomerang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama bati ali aye chigage emeronge bere na isaro na isato mbabwata tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na wigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na wigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na wigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi wigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chingagicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabate yu akomenya segeka ayo guchane warrant na wigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya ouru superstores yegotoka se nyumba ya ouru complex imiyumucho yigo musongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom wigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha, kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo watu wote na
Wirevia na ndio mwancho muligiria Getembe TV ase ebirobia bono morogoba karibu sana ase Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi erinde tunyara gusanga ase nchira yobwenge turachikubwatana nere Kevin Ongeri kurase studio kabiri nkuruko Matildah Obaigwa karansoike erinde nyara kumanya narari abere kawateka ngochaka kurwa ase serikali nene nigo bono umurai ibwense Umuske William Ruto ritukoria rero anyari gukwanira egati yebitambukiro biri serikali ya abirige kwimukia na boigo byakorire emirimo nekira kwanire umurobere bunabono oyubwe chinyomba gosobwa gachubwe chinyomba chiri gorirense bagukwanira amangana yoboreme kawukwanira uchumi yense ya Kenya nebintu binde ebinge ayega niko ayakwana kurase omochi o Nairobi akero arenge kumirana na barai muno abawaziri na boigo nebyombe binde byoborendi kiro bagochengera lituko lyoko inyora Lindsay asset backed security usikiombe kiri ekioborendi goseke mo kioborendi aiga asensi ya Kenya.
Our economy is stabilizing and growing. Today, Kenya is ranked the 6th largest economy in Africa, up from the 8th 2 years ago. Inflation has dropped from 9.6 in 2022 to 3.8 today. The exchange rate has stabilized at Kenya shillings 129 to the dollar for more than a year, down from Kenya shillings 165. And foreign exchange reserves have climbed to $11.8 billion from $6.5 billion. Food production is improving. Maize output, for example, has grown by 50%. And farmer earnings for tea, coffee, and milk have also increased significantly. The affordable housing program is now active in all 47 counties, employing 320,000 Kenyans. And that number is expected to double in a few months. While our labor mobility program has placed 400,000 Kenyans in jobs abroad, Climate Works is onboarding 120,000 workers, and our ICT digital jobs framework has 180,000 people working and monetizing their talent. In the health sector, 110,000 community health promoters are assigned to visit our homes, while more than 25 million Kenyans are enlisted with SHA, bringing us closer to universal health coverage and ensuring that access to quality health is not the privilege of a few, but a constitutional right for all. Our education reforms are also taking root. The CBC transition is complete. We have employed 76,000 teachers in 2 years and will hire another 24,000 in January. Our new student-centered funding model now guarantees quality and sustainable education. Additionally, our public savings at NSSF
Chingaki checho muske William Ruto nikubono anyari ko bagikiria abonzi bali bagendete kwamiriria serikali anene muno bakumomocha unanigo abiriga kuria chira chinyinge ase amatuko aerire nekero anyari goteba una chira chiri chansi abiriga kuria nigabwate kirenga gyo kwanekya una ense ya Kenya ya bereke gutwara amororo ari igoro muno ose ayo arachi kora abakenya gocha gotabokia amagendero ona bo igogoikirania amororo ali babiri bagutwara semi.
Some have accused my administration of over-promising or taking on too many challenges at once. I have this to say. Yes, I made promises. Yes, I took on many challenges that had bogged down our nation for far too long. This wasn't a mistake. This was deliberate and intentional, so as to match our leadership with our national ambition, to raise the standard, to adjust the bar upwards, and to up our game. As a leadership, we have made peace with mediocrity for far too long. That is why slums became homes, hunger became normal, health became a privilege, and jobs became a status symbol. I promised to change this, and that change.
mwancho murigire gutigana nayo umwaziri utenete amangana y'ebintu bitonchokanaine umuske musubate Debra Barasa nigo anyale kwerera egati y'ebitambukiro biri ewizare yo yemukirire kwaneke buna eubi ase ense ya Kenya ngubikwire ase nchira ere endongi nigo anyale gukwanera kigali cyogosomba eubi ase chiubi chikubekwa naboigo ase bintu biri bibonete gutumeka ase chinga kichinde na kibibonete gukorosigwa erinde kwanekya una amagima y'aba Kenya taranyara kubekwa ase akongo.
The ministry, through the National Environment Management Authority, has issued several advisories to all the county governments and the Council of Governors on sustainable waste management. Some of the advisories include on 19th July 2024, where NEMA wrote to the county governors through COG advising counties to remove all wastes in undesignated sites and submit a zonation plan for waste collection and disposal areas. This is annexed for management of illegal dump sites. A letter was sent to all county secretaries requesting them to ensure all waste is segregated, collected, and transported to designated waste handling facilities. Annex 6, advisory to the county governments. Specifically, the advisory requires the county governments to, number one, collect, handle, and transport waste and deliver it to facilities that are licensed and designated as per Section 7 of Environmental Management and Coordination, Waste Management Regulations of 2024, to establish waste management infrastructure to promote source segregation, collection, reuse, and set up material recovery facilities as per Section 9 of the Sustainable Waste Management Act 2022, waste transportation trucks not to carry mixed waste, reorganize existing dump sites to ensure there are separate reception areas for organic, general waste, residual waste from material recovery facilities, and landfill for unrecoverable waste. NEMA licensed waste transporters as well as waste treatment and disposal facilities as per Environmental Management and Coordination Waste Management Regulations of 2024. NEMA collaborates with county governments on awareness aimed at changing public behavior with respect to management of waste at the household level, proper waste handling by waste handlers.
Mwancho murigiriria ekero umuchando wobongo onyari kubwaterania abasai abange aiga asense ya Kenya niko bono umuwaziri utenerete amangana y'abasai na boigo chigosori asense ya Kenya umuske Salim Mvurya anyari kwerera egati y'ebitambukiro biri serikali egendete kubeka kwene kyabuna abasai anemono obali bako ege bose bari ase chigosori banyari gukonyeka ko erio gukora umuchando ubugoitinyana kwebirengereryo ase amongo abo kaukwana kurase obose senate erit korea rero nigo anyare gotabuna serikali nigegendete kubwaterana nebyombe ao ase wizara yobochon nabo igochinya gitari chinyinge erio kwaneke abasaye banyare gukonyeka ase ensemo iyo.
These measures include, number one, the establishment of youth safe spaces within the operational youth empowerment centers, which offers mental health, therapeutic services, amongst other related matters, such as sexual reproductive health. Through collaboration between the Ministry and International Youth Fellowship, Korea International NGO with presence in 105 countries worldwide, currently based at Kasarani and operates satellite campuses across the country, offers mindset changes training which integrates mental health clinic through weekend academy program. Through Kikao initiative and outreach activity in which the ministry in collaboration with other MDS organizes sensitization programs where mobile health clinics are organized for the youth. The ministry, through State Department for Youth Affairs and Creative Economy, has lined up a myriad of collaborative program with Madari Hospital, Youth in College, JQuat, to offer mental health sensitization, screening and referral to the youth in college who may not wish to use the in-college counseling facilities. Sports and arts therapy programs, initiatives such as Sports for Development and Creative Therapy workshops are designed to foster mental well-being through engagement in sports and the arts, promoting resilience, teamwork, and emotional expression. Partnerships with mental health professionals. The ministry collaborates with psychologists and counselors to offer tailored mental health services during youth sports camps and creative arts events.
Mwancho murigerera ase oroboti oro nongo korere Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi cha wono moragwa bakorinde enyorere ayo na yanda mange asenchira ayo bwikirano kigima gikoraga Chinsa ibere na bwigo Chinsa nye charero moragwa babunara tukole twasore na mukate enoko kuruko Matildah Obaigwa ase egekaye kekirebusyo onyare kwenyorera onkorogo ase umurobirio omanyekane tabuna ekerorano igobeka ebikoroto byatengo na kirongo kwiranira mbya mono kema kyagera kwa bere nenche nabo igo kwagendere kubwatia emirobiri ya Getembe TV litukeriga nande bono tubasa gusika kyagera omurobiri uri bwanjite kwekerorano ngochore ase studio kubwiranira mbya mono mu director ne omanyekane tabuna Kevin Ongeri nabo igo bonse buri banekya kwanyore chibichaniro gi asinchira engi kierano wekachinga kichinde genda utigara ime murobiri uri bosyo.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorosya chirangi meyenseyiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biria bikomanya seyeka